You know that every now and then, the Maverick has to swim against the tide, sing solo without the choir, and be the lone voice shouting from the mountain top. Now this inflated controversy with the non-selection of Darren Bravo for the ODI series against England. The fact that we're having a debate about a player who averages 30 in ODI cricket with 4 centuries in 120 odd internationals in over a decade. A man who plays for the West Indies when he feels like, and when he don't feel like, he's unavailable and he wants a break from cricket and blah, blah, blah. This is the same man who called the board president at the time a big idiot. And instead of simply apologizing, Darren Bravo, then in his prime, chose not to represent the West Indies for over 2 years while the team suffered. This is the same Darren Bravo who people want Black Road for. That is how much West Indies cricket has gone to the dogs. Well, all who want Black Road for Darren Bravo, go right ahead. Yes, because the Maverick, they have to clear the road. So one Black Road for that, one Black Road. One Black Road for Darren, one Black Road for Gwan.